Welcome to Cubic Consulting, where we help defend your business against ever-evolving cyber threats. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to order our express penetration test. Step 1. Download the scoping form, answer a few quick questions, and send it by email so that we can prepare a proposal for you. Step 2. Within 1 day of submitting your form, you'll receive a proposal that includes an order form and other essential information about the engagement. Step 3. After reviewing the proposal, sign the order form and send it back to us to confirm your booking. Step 4. Complete the payment following the instructions provided. Once you complete your payment, notify us so we can proceed with your order. Please note that, at this time, we only accept bank transfers. Step 5. Within 1 day of confirming your payment, we'll send you detailed instructions to get ready for testing. The instructions vary based on the system type to be tested. For example, we might ask you to provide URL to be tested or set up test accounts. Step 6. Complete the preparations and notify us when everything is ready. Step 7. We'll verify that all is good to start testing and commence the test within 1 day. Please note that you will get clear instructions from us at every step throughout the process. Are you ready to get started? Complete these simple steps and experience a thorough test. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email or book a call. At Cubic Consulting, we're here to help you stay ahead of the curve.